Hi guys, new game changer camera is here today. That's a camera which millions of people have been waiting for. Yeah, I'm definitely not exaggerating. Millions of people have been switching to solar-powered, battery-operated cameras in the past. But what they have been missing is 24/7 recording and automatic tracking. We have always been thinking that this will never be possible, but now it's here today, available on Amazon right now. This is absolutely amazing, and it comes in with the free Cloud Edge app, comes in with some free 7 days rolling cloud, but of course it's not constantly recording in the cloud, and we want to have constant recording. Then we need a small micro SD card. It fits for up to 512 gigabytes, but you don't have to be worried that it's filling up pretty fast, because you can select from 1 frame per 1 second and 1 frame per 30 seconds. So you have some kind of a built-in time lapse already. And so it's charging automatically through the day, but it doesn't require 12 hours of sun. Already about 2 hours of direct sun on the solar panel is enough to charge it fully. And then you can play around as much as you want. It's impossible to drain this battery. I've been playing around yesterday for hours and I couldn't drain the battery lower than around 95%, and it charged instantly to 100% again this morning when the sun started shining on the solar panel again. And of course, with the always on video recording, we don't have to rely on a PIR sensor where we usually have a lot of false alert and limited reach. The alerting function is based on optical recognition, which is definitely superior to PIR detection. We have a much more reliable detection, less false alerts, much further detection reach of up to 90 feet. We have also Wi-Fi 6 support, but it's only working on 2.4G. That's the only limitation. But usually we want to have such cameras anyway on 2.4G because it has the further wireless reach than 5G. And so after my first 3 or 4 days of usage, I can definitely confirm this is a total game changer. I'm not just saying that. This is at least like the invention of hybrid cars or even electric cars. This will totally change the landscape of security cameras in the future. I can guarantee in a couple of years, all the cameras without AOV function will be replaced because this is so much better. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. By the way, instead of having to pay $129 with the current coupon, it's at around only $80 at least for today. So definitely check it out, order one for you if you like, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, if you have already such a camera, then just let us know down in the feedback area what you think, what's your experience, what's your benefit, how has it changed your surveillance of your home or anything else, and just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And by the way, of course, that was only the introduction of this camera. I will cover this camera in a lot of videos in the next couple of days and weeks, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel and even hit the notification bell. So that's it for now. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.